Alright, for our first construction, let's construct a triangle. So the first thing that you will do is, use a compass, draw a circle. Okay, so you have now your circle. Okay, next one, you will use the same opening to mark your first point. Okay, so say for instance, this is your first point. Okay, so again, you will use the same opening. Okay, you have the first point. Then, let's construct, several points or arcs. Okay, so we have one. Then, use the same opening again to construct 5 more. 2. We have 3. Okay. Let's change. So we have now 3. So we will maintain the same opening. We have 4. 5. And we have 6. So what we're going to mark are actually the even arcs. So let's have this is 1. Okay, then skip. Then we have 2, skip again, and 3. Next is connect those points using colored pen. Okay, so now you have your triangle, and do not forget to erase the pencil markings. So we have now a triangle. So let's write this one as point A, and this is point B, and this is point C. So take note that AB is congruent to BC. Okay? So to verify that, let's use the protractor. Let's measure from this point until point A. Okay? So we have this opening. And observe that from point A to point B, we have the same length. Okay? And also from point B to point C, we have the same length also. So truly, so we have AB is congruent to BC. Also, we can say that BC is congruent to AC. Okay? So we have AB is congruent to BC. Then we have here BC is congruent to AC. So that's all. Alright, so the next thing that we will have is the construction of hexagon. Again, so the first thing that we will do is construct a circle using our compass. Okay. Now choose a point. Say for instance, I'll choose this point. I'll mark this point, and I will use the same opening as I constructed the circle. So again, to double check. So this is my first point, then construct an arc. So this is my first arc. Okay. Second. Then I have third. Fourth, then fifth. Then we have here for the sixth one. Okay, So then next, I'll put mark here. Mark the points. And connect this using pen. Then we have here, connect the points again. Alright, and do not forget to erase the pencil markings. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we have a drop here of your hexagon. So let's call this one as point A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so this is our construction for hexagon. Alright, for our next construction, so we will construct a square. So the first thing that we will do is draw a line. Okay, from our line, we will use our compass. Okay, and draw a circle. So let's call this points. This is point A, and this is point B. So next is we will do, or we will construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. So let's open this one a little bit. Construct an arc outside the circle, somewhat here, and we will use the same opening on point A. Okay, then we will use this intersection, this point and this point, okay, as our perpendicular bisector, as our guide. After that, on the circle, mark the point that will intersect them and this. So we will call this as point C, while this one is point D. Now you have your 4 points. Let's connect this using our pen. And do not forget to erase the markings or the pencil markings. So we have now this one. Alright, so for the next construction, we will create a regular pentagon. So first thing is, again, we will draw a line segment using our pencil. From this line segment, using our compass, draw a circle. Alright, so we have now a circle. Then after that, okay, let's mark this point. And this point also. Okay. we will construct a perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So to do that, let's open our compass a little bit wider, more than the radius, and construct an arc outside the circle. Okay. Okay. So we will use this intersection, this point, and this in order to create a perpendicular bisector. But we need only the line. Okay, we need to, okay. Alright. So now you have now your perpendicular bisector. Next, after this, we will create another perpendicular bisector. This time from the center to somewhat, okay, let's call this one as point, okay, N. And let's call this one as point O. Okay. So we will create a perpendicular bisector between the line segment ON. So to do that, again, okay, let's open the compass and create an arc just outside the circle. Okay, then let's connect these 2 points. Alright, so we will call this one as point X, and this one is point A. Alright, from point X to point A, let's measure that using our compass. Okay, so we will use that in order to create an arc starting from point X, okay, that will pass through on this line segment. So we will call this point as point Y. Okay, using our compass again, we will measure from point Y to point A. Okay. Then, from point A, we will, okay, make an arc. So we will call this one as point B. And we will continue the process using the same opening of your compass. Okay, so we have now the following points. So we have this, okay, point A. Call this one as point A. Then we have point B. So we have here point C. Then this is point D. And this is point E. Alright. Then, let's connect using our pen. And do not forget to erase the pencil markings. So this is now your final product.